Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa San Pedro, Laguna. Dahil maganda yung reception ng ating first LGBTQIA+ episode, agad-agad, meron na tayo kaagad second Love Win Story. Kasama natin ngayon, RJ and RJ! Woo!
Flow, you don't force it.
Okay, do you have a favorite Bible verse? Each other? Bawat isa?
Yes.
Okay, ano yun? Nasa kodi ko? Okay, kung,
Na.
and bakit yun yung favorite nyo?
Sige, well,
Kasi
checking ako
it's
na lang
something ba
muna.
na parang nag-serve as sa inyo as guidance or inspiration in life to get through life? Ikaw, RJ?
Ako kasi medyo ma-overthink ako, lalo na sa future. Kasi I'm not getting younger na eh. Like, di ba?
Yan ka pa naman. Millennial ka eh.
for me, like,
Okay.
like parang I wanna secure my future na, so lagi nag-overthink. Pero, every time na ganun yung nagiging mindset ko, I always parang go back doon sa Bible verse, sa Matthew. I'm not sure the number, pero it says
Okay.
na parang you don't have to worry about the future because the future has its own worries.
Oo, bakit yun?
Kasi nabibigyan niya ako ng peace of mind na okay, I don't have to you really don't have to be worried, but you have to prepare. Ayan, yun yung lagi kong iniisip kapag binabasa ko yung Bible verse na yun.
You hold on that promise. Ikaw, RJ.
Ako naman yun sa Corinthians.
Corinthians.
Let all...
Anong chapter verse ba yan?
16:40.
Corinthian...
Wala.
Okay.
Let all...
Actions.
Wala.
Parang all of your actions do with love.
Yeah.
Corinthians yun.
Okay, bakit yun?
16:14 yun nakalagay.
1640. Bakit yun?
Kasi pagka may ginagawa kong actions, I made it with love. Even though hindi sa partner ko, like sa work and sa parents ko, I make sure na made with love.